Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. In today's video, we're gonna do 5 sublimation gift ideas that only cost you $5. These ideas are great to use for gifts or if you just want to make you some extra money. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I shoot cruise tip videos as well as DIY projects every single week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out. Especially if you want to make you some little side hustle extra money so that you can take your next vacation. And don't forget, if you want to see what items I'm working on from week to week, make sure you join my Facebook group, Side Hustle Queen Creations. And if you're looking for sublimation blanks like tumblers, keychains, makeup bags, make sure you check out my store, sidehustlequeencreation.com, for some of your sublimation blanks. All the purchases help my channel grow, so make sure you head over there and grab you some pillowcases and things like that you might want to sublimate on. And thank you guys for supporting my channel. So the first thing that I want to show y'all is these socks. I found this 10-pack of socks at Five Below for only $5. They're 100% polyester. I actually did a pair of Christmas socks, and I actually was able to sell these socks 2 pair for $5 because you could put pictures on them, words, just different things, anything that you want to put on these socks. And the 10-pack costs only $5. So if you do the math, it only costs you 50 cents per sock to make. So this was a good idea, something that I just grabbed. And I did a couple of pair of socks and people loved them, and all I did was do just like a little decal on them. You could sublimate the whole front, the whole back. You could do a lot with these socks, and they only cost $5. And like I said, they really easy to resell, and everybody loves socks. Everybody wears socks. So if you're at Five Below, grab you a pack of these socks. I'm gonna show you guys how you can easily sublimate on these socks. I also found this silk 100% polyester pillowcase at Five Below for $5. I never sublimated on this pillowcase, so I'm super excited to do it in this video so that we can see how it turns out. It feels nice, it looks nice, so hopefully it will sublimate great. I was over at my local Dollar Tree and I found this little baby blanket. I do a lot of like bling baby bottles. I do a lot of bottles that have like the customs where I put the baby name on and things like that. So when I seen this blanket and I noticed that it was 100% polyester, it feels soft, you know, to touch and everything. I was wondering, could I sublimate on it since it only costs $1? That way, if I'm doing like a bottle or a shirt, you know, to match, then I can throw in a little blanket, you know, boost the price up a little bit and do like a little 3-pack blanket, a custom onesie, and a baby bottle. So we're gonna see how this sublimate. Every year I always buy me a new journal or a little notebook for me to keep like, I write down different projects or different ideas. I write down my monthly bills. So I found this at Five Below for $5. So we're gonna see how it sublimate. And one of my favorite things that I buy when they go on sale, I usually wait till the Cricut t-shirts is on sale at Joann's or Michael's, because with the Cricut brand, you can't use none of the coupons that Joann and Michael give you. So whenever I find these on sale, I grab me, you know, a few packs and put them in stock because they sublimate really well. Joann and Michael's recently had them on sale, and I was able to get it for $5.24, but it's right at the $5 mark. So I want to show you guys how Cricut infusion shirts really sublimate. They sublimate really well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set up the heat press. We're gonna head over to the heat press and we're gonna go ahead and sublimate some of these great gifts ideas so we can see just how nice they come out when we sublimate on them. So we're gonna cross our fingers and hope that these items sublimate nice. If not, I know some of them will, some of them may not. We're gonna find out today. So let's head over to the heat press and get started. back, everybody, and it's time to take a look at the items that we have done that cost less than $5. So I set my heat press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds for all the items, and they really came out good. So the first thing we're going to look at is the Cricut t-shirt. The Cricut t-shirt comes out perfect. It came out really nice. The color is there, everything. So if you catch these Cricut t-shirts on sale, Michael's, Joanne, you can even order them for Target and have them delivered. These shirts sublimate perfect. So if you want to know how I got the design so big, I'll leave a link in the description bar where I taught everybody how to make a large design, okay? So the Cricut t-shirt infusion shirts for sublimation is a win. I also have another shirt, which was the Five Below sweatshirt. I only paid $5 for it from Five Below. Look at the color, look at how vibrant it is. I got this design from off one of the groups I'm in, and it looks like spray paint, but it's actually sublimation. Shirt, perfect. Came out, another win. Five Below. If you see these little sweatshirts at Five Below for $5, grab you some of these. They make great gifts. Make you a full outfit. Another plus. Perfect. In case you're wondering about the Dollar Tree blanket. Sublimate, once again, perfect. Dollar Tree blanket, perfect. One of the things that I'm going to do on some of these blankets is do like the footprints with the date that the baby was born on. Things like that. Put their picture in the corner. The sublimation, they sublimate great. Dollar Tree, $1 blankets, sublimate great. The color is there, everything. Make sure you just get a light color when you sublimating on these blankets, but they sublimate just fine. Dollar Tree, $1 blanket, thumbs up. Let's take a look at our socks from Five Below, the 10-pack socks. One of the things I do with my socks is I just took a piece of post office box and cut it up and put it in the inside so that the sublimation won't sub to the other side of the sock. You can sublimate these socks full if you want to. It's completely up to you. You can sublimate them front and back. But another plus, the socks sublimate perfect. Look at the color. Sublimate those socks. 10-pack, $5. You can't beat it. About 50 cents a piece. Lovely. Let's talk about the notebook. $5 notebook from Five Below. Another win. Another win. You could sublimate this full. I just did a print for the front and a print for the back. Sublimate's just perfect. Zipper and everything still work. I just took the insides out before I pressed it. Again, I just set my heat press on 400 degrees for 60 seconds for everything. When you do these notebooks, because I did have some paper that stuck onto the notebook, only thing I did was sprayed a little bit of water on it, because remember it's just paper that your ink be on, came right off. Another win. Five Below notebook. You can make you some notebooks and resell them. Perfect. Let's talk about the Five Below pillowcase. The Five Below pillowcase. This pillowcase, another win. Another win. Another win. I hope you guys can see that. You can get a closer look of all these items in my Facebook group, Side Hustle Queen Creation. But another win. This was another win. Another win. $5 pillowcase, Five Below. Nice and silky king size pillowcase, Five Below. And again, if you want to know how I got this print so big, I'll link the video in the description bar. Another win. First of all, I want to say all of these $5 finds was a winner. Sublimate great. The color comes out fine. You can make these. You can resell them. You can make you some extra money with these $5 items that's easily able to sublimate on. Great gifts, stocking stuffers during the holidays, bridal showers. I mean, these shirts right here will be perfect if you're doing a bridal shower. You could put the bridesmaid on them. I mean, endless baby shower gifts. You know, I do a bling bottle. I actually do the blanket to go with it. And of course, you cannot beat catching these Cricket shirts on sale. They sublimate, love it. I'm a Tupac fan. That picture came out perfect. I'm so excited to wear it. So I hope this video helped you guys on some easy $5 sublimation gift ideas. I want to thank everybody for watching my video. My voice is a little off today, but I still wanted to finish up these videos because I was so excited to show you guys that you can, while you out shopping, running errands, keep an eye out on things that you might be able to sublimate on, because you can find you some really great items that you can customize and sell in your store to your customers on Facebook, eBay, however you sell your craft items. These were some really great ideas for resale. So thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Thank you.